Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're out and about hanging out today. Today is Labor Day. Happy Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day.
Yeah, so we decided to hang out at our favorite park. One of our favorite parks. And what's it called again?
Yeah, so we're out in Desert Shores in northwest Las Vegas.
Yeah.
And this is near the Summerlin area, but this is Desert Shores, and this is just one of the water outlets where the homes are built on.
Yeah.
And I remember when they built these places in the 90s, I lived out here and I would just watch them while they were digging the holes, digging the pits. And now they have the full-on restaurants out here. They have the beach club, and there's tons of people over there right now at the sand volleyball court and stuff.
Yeah.
And everybody's walking, barbecuing. You have some people out there with their boats because they have their houseboats or their paddle boats, and they're paddling around Desert Shores area here.
Healthy environment. Very healthy environment. So we figured when we came out here, we thought, well, let's stop by Sprouts and maybe grab a snack. And we actually found some they have new beef sticks there. And we just wanted to try them, and we figured we might as well show you guys what they taste like and what they look like. So Jimmy saw them on the way out because they're if you're going into Sprouts, where we found them, or he saw them first, was at the checkout. So if you're looking for them, they may be there, and maybe give them a try.
Yeah.
So what are they called again?
So these are, here, you can hold that one.
Okay.
They're from Country Archer.
Yeah.
That's the name of the company that makes them.
Country Archer.
And
I've never seen these before.
Yeah, and because it's backwards,
That's probably backwards.
We'll fix that in the editing.
Okay.
It should be fixed in the editing anyways.
So we have a turkey beef stick, and we have what other flavor?
So you have a turkey stick, right?
Yeah, sorry, not a turkey beef stick. Well, technically some places do blend. So turkey stick, and this one has turkey raised with no antibiotics or hormones, 70 calories, 9 protein, and 0 sugar. That's what we liked about it. So pretty clean ingredients.
So this one here, the green label, this is a jalapeno beef stick.
Yeah.
And it says it's made with 100% grass-fed beef. You're looking at 100 calories, 9 grams of protein, 0 sugars, okay?
We like to hear that.
And then the third option here, which is the gray label for beef, is the original stick, okay?
It's an OG stick.
So again, 9 grams on the protein, 0 on the sugar, and 100 calories, and it's 100%.
Yeah.
Grass-fed.
This turkey one is actually turkey rosemary flavor, so that's pretty cool.
Yes.
So we're gonna try the turkey one first.
Yeah, we can try the turkey ones first.
Okay.
And you know what? I think did you go over she went over the ingredients on this one?
Let's see, guys.
Let's talk about the ingredients and the fat content.
Let's see. Okay, so the turkey one has turkey water, sea salt, lactic acid, celery powder, spices, which are basil, rosemary, and thyme, dried vegetable powder, which consists of carrot, garlic, and onions, and beef collagen casing. So that's cool.
No sugar.
Yeah, that's clean ingredients. That's really good. So I'm gonna open this one, and they have a little thing that says peel to peel it open. So
we like convenient.
Yes, because I hate having to, I've been trying to use my
especially
teeth.
when it's the all the way across. It opens. See how easily?
Easy. I love that. Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and take a sample of this.
It's the turkey one. No bug, you can't have any. That's pretty good. That rosemary really comes out. That comes through. Very good balance in that. And the turkey tastes like it is roasted.
I can tell. It's if you look at it, it's really not artificially colored.
No, not at all.
So that's what's good about this too. It doesn't have some type of deep fluorescent red or some other color.
Yeah, just to highlight the flavor. No, I mean the color to make it look good, which is good.
Right. So
That's
this
pretty
one's really good.
Definitely try the turkey one, guys. Wait, let me see what the fat content though. Well, most jerkies are going to be the fat content is not going to equal the calories anyway, or the protein. But protein is 9, we said, and fat was 4 grams of fat. That's okay. Eat a piece of cheese with it.
And the number one thing is, what's your carbs on that?
The carbs. The carbs are 0.
There you go.
Nice.
0 carbs.
I like that. All right.
Rosemarie turkey. Rosemary.
You call me a turkey?
So, we're gonna save the jalapeno.
Sorry.
If you hear them squawking in the background, it's
That's ducks in the background.
because I think they can smell the rosemary, and they're trying to get over here.
They can smell me.
They're determined to find out where is it coming from.
I'm here.
So Country Archer, you did great on the first one.
Yeah. Yep.
We're gonna go ahead and look at the beef stick, the original by Country Archer.
We don't have any duck jerky, guys. Not today.
No duck jerky. Love that, simple, easy to peel.
Yes.
Go ahead and
Seriously, because I'm always like trying to bite open the thing, you know.
yeah.
Guess I said something you like. Don't just come creeping up on me, duck. Okay.
I like that one too.
I like that one too. Which one is that one?
So this is the original.
Oh, that's good.
So its ingredients
That's really good.
coming around on the backside on the
It's
pepper
a-
to the
Yeah,
to the neck,
Slightly
to the throat.
spicy, but not that spicy.
It went hata.
Oh,
Pepper to the throat.
I know the camera's shaking, guys. Sorry, but we're out here in this windy.
It's not
Sorry about
really
that.
windy, but the way we have it held because I forgot
My
something.
puff is blowing, so it must be a little windy.
So grass-fed beef, water, sea salt, encapsulated lactic acid. You have a cultured celery powder. You have garlic powder, red pepper, black pepper, coriander, onion powder, white pepper, ground nutmeg, parsley, beef collagen casing.
Oh, nice.
Really awesome on the ingredients.
It's really good. The second one's really good. That's the beef flavor.
And determined to think that that duck wants some.
I know, right? It's about to be some.
Man, he is having
About to
it.
be some duck jerky up in here. Hey, hey, hey! Calm
Jeez.
down. Anyway,
He ain't that big either.
I know, right?
So again, 0 sugar on this.
Mm,
The carbs it shows here to be 1 gram.
that one's really good too.
So that's a really, really good
I like
original.
that. I like the beef flavor, the original. I actually like the turkey better
Yeah.
though. In a sense, I mean, they're both delicious.
Excelente.
They're both in this Country Archer
Country
Jerky. Hey, filming over here. Anyway, this Country Archer Jerky Company. I really like the turkey, I think, because it has rosemary in it.
Yeah.
And the basil really comes through. The beef one's really delicious too, though. It's really good. So let's try the last one, love.
All right.
So we can,
Yeah, because
so
they're
we can
like
get up out of there too.
they're heading our way
Oh
right
my gosh, they
now.
are heading our way.
They're coming in a stream.
I'm scared. Open. Open. Okay, the
All right.
last one is.
Jalapeno, man. If we even drop one, they're not gonna be enjoying this one. I don't think.
Please don't eat
Oh
me.
yeah, they're all right here.
Hey guys.
I don't know if you can see them.
Let's,
We'll just give you a look.
yeah, they're trying to press up
If
on
you
us.
see that, they just came behind us.
Yo, back up, sucker. Anyway. Hello.
Probably the one in the pack that's making all the noise.
I know, right? All right.
Whoa.
Yeah. I don't see them come over here. They smell food. That's why. Let's fix the camera.
All right, here we go. We're gonna fix.
All right, let's get the camera straight. All right, there it is. Okay, so the last one on this beef stick jerky find.
Beef jerks. Hold on.
Hold on.
It was.
I think the camera. Sorry, guys. Ooh, that's it. Here, just hold it there. I'll hold it. Go ahead. I got it.
All right.
I got it steady. Yeah.
So here we go. A little crooked, but that's okay.
Oh, are we crooked here? Just lean that way when you watch, guys.
Here we go. So the jalapeno, the first one that didn't tear out correctly. I don't know why.
Wow. The minute I bit it, I smelled jalapeno.
Mm-hmm.
That's regular.
Hold on.
That's beef over here.
Maybe you can smell it.
Can you smell it, guys?
You smell that? It smells good. So
Nice. That's nice.
this one definitely has the right flavor combo.
Ooh, that's nice. Remember the girl at the in the cashier? She was like, "Oh, they are so good. I got one when I was on my break and they were delicious." Remember?
Yes.
She was like, "I hope they'll be there when she got off at Sprouts."
So pretty much the same ingredients,
Yep.
except for obviously that kick in the
Ooh.
the jalapeno.
Yep.
And again,
parsley to add in.
the what is this? The calories, the total fat calories 7. So on the carbs, it's only 1 gram carb here.
Oh, okay.
And what are we looking at? Saturated fat is 3 grams.
Okay.
Total fat gram is going to be 8 grams.
Nice.
Really cool.
So these are really delicious, guys. I like them. So the company is called Country Archer.
You can check
So
them out
definitely
at
check them out.
countryarcher.com. You can check them out.
That's true.
www.countryarcher.com.
Yeah, and if you have a local Sprouts, this is where we found ours. So hopefully they'll show up at other stores because these are really good.
And if they haven't showed up on your side, I would ask
Right?
Sprouts to have them come out.
Yeah, it says gluten free as well.
Also, just check out their website, see you know, where they might actually offer their product.
Yeah, we should have did that before we started this taping, but I'll go home and check it out.
Maybe we'll
I'll
have
put
to
an addendum.
call them up.
I'll put an addendum at the bottom of the description.
Leave them a voicemail.
What's hello?
No.
All right, guys, so we're gonna close this one out. We just wanted to share with you while we're hanging out Labor Day weekend and eating some jerky. Ha!
All right.
Jerky stick, no, beef sticks.
Beef sticks. Yes. Enjoying the
Yes.
beautiful weather here. So
Okay, I'm gonna finish out this turkey one. So, cause this one is really good. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna try to sample all 3 again and finish it out
Hopefully you didn't see
because
that. Hopefully
these
you
are
didn't,
good.
you didn't catch that drool, right? All right,
that.
that was good. You don't want it after I drool on it, right?
No, you can have that one.
All right, guys.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Sun's coming out on this
I
side.
know. It's like, what time is it? 5?
Yeah, it's nice. This is the nice part of Vegas because it's like the sun's setting. So the sun's over there, that's the west. And here we are, straight in the west.
I'm glowing.
So,
All right, we're gonna cut this video down.
all right, hasta la vista, babies.
All right, guys.
Take care.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.